three walked in here like a festival. Different rhythm, same heartbeat. I didn't choose the moment chose us. Let's move. Hey, dark skin glowing like Lagos midnight. Honey brown waistline shaped just right. Caramel queen with the soft sweet sway. All of you shining in your own damn way. You laughing, moving, teasing me slow. Whispering accents from places I wanna go. Brazil to Barbados, Nigeria to Belize. You walk past me and the whole room breezy. No rush, no rules, no fear. This waistline speaking loud and clear. Three queens, one vibe, one zone. Every curve communicating home. Move for me, got desperate. Three different beauties in one upgrade. Hands in the air, hips unafraid. Tonight your joy is all I crave. Move for me, got desperate. Melanin Symphony, perfectly played. If love had a rhythm, this is the tray. One king, three queens, memories made. I'm a piano, happy, shaking the floor. Your thighs sync up, asking for more. Brazilian curl, Caribbean spice, African heat, everything nice. One dip slow with a teasing grin. One spin slow just to draw me in. One grabs my hand like you know you're rolling, yeah. My touch wakes all three souls. You don't compete, you harmonize. Three women built to mesmerize. Your joy is sacred, your rhythm blessed. And tonight you move as one across my chest. Move for me, got desperate. Three different beauties in one upgrade. Hands in the air, hips unafraid. Tonight your joy is all I crave. Move for me, got desperate. Melanin Symphony, perfectly played. If love had a rhythm, this is the tray. One king, three queens, memories made. Spin to the left, touch your waist, tilt your chin and match your pace. Smile for me, let the music lead. Every queen here is all I need. Different cultures, one connection, different accents, same affection. Your rhythm is a passport, and I stamp every moment you share. From Africa to the islands, from New York to Sao Paulo, your love moves continents. Tonight you didn't just dance, you aligned. Anthony, you're king with room for more than one crown.